What I need the teachers to understand when they want to come to the garden is please fill out the intake request form. So the school request form will give me information as to how big your group is and whether or not you're bringing adults. It's really important that for every at least 10 students, you have at least one adult with them. For the lower grade levels, I would love to have a 7-to-1 ratio. So 7 kids with one adult with them. So it's important here because when we start moving through the garden, I need to know that I have the staff that will be able to help me with that day, or if I'm taking the entire 30 group, student group, that's a for example, I would have to make sure that they're broken up into the point where I have them as a large group, and then we have different activities that they're going to all be concentrating on. And so it becomes a station rotation in that respect.